Hi guys! We will make leche flan using fresh milk. And for our ingredients, 10 pieces large eggs, 260 grams sugar, 200 ml fresh milk, 1 can condensed milk, and 1 whole lemon zest. First, we will melt the sugar in low heat. I don't use any liquid here, just sugar. But you can add 2 to 3 tablespoons water or lemon juice if you like. Now it's done and poured into a round baking pan. Now let's start with the egg. We will only use the egg yolks. Then slowly stir in circular motion. While stirring, slowly add the condensed milk. Then, we will also add the fresh milk. And now, let's add the lemon zest. Using the strainer, let's pour it into our baking pan with caramel. Then cover with aluminum foil. And we will steam this for 50 minutes. When the toothpick comes clean, it's done.